Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Want to Step. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix your Snapchat support code C14A. Now to fix your support code C14A, first of all you need to restart your Snapchat app. That means you can log out from your Snapchat by going your Snapchat account, click on your profile, click on settings and click on logout, and after that log in again. And if it's still not working, then restart your mobile phone or go to App Store, go to Snapchat and click on uninstall and install again. And after that, if it's still not working, then check your internet connection if it's stable or not, or check your VPN if it is on or off. Then after that, your Snapchat support code C14A have been solved. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this. Thank you for watching.